Find each product. We have -3 times 5. When we don't have any sign between parentheses, it means that we have multiplication here. So we have -3 times, when we don't have any sign before 5, is always positive. So we have -3 times positive 5. We have multiplication of integers. Have to memorize when we multiply negative number times positive, give me always negative number. When I multiply positive number times negative number, also give me negative. So it doesn't matter if we have first negative or the second negative. It still will be negative. Negative times positive, give me negative, and positive times negative number, give me negative. And when we have negative times negative number, these two negatives build one positive sign. So negative times negative give me positive always. And of course, when we multiply positive number times positive, must be positive answer. So let's see what we have here. We have negative times positive. So when it's negative times positive, the sign will be negative. And we have to just multiply 3 times 5. So this is equal, negative sign we rewrite, 3 times 5 is 15. Next example, we have 3 times -5. So now I have first positive number times negative. Also positive times negative or negative times positive is always negative. So positive times negative give me negative, and I have to just multiply 3 times 5. So this is -15. Now we have 4 times -2. First number, because this number doesn't have any sign, so it means it's positive. So positive times negative give me negative. So I have to write negative sign, and I have to just multiply 4 times 2. So this is equal, negative sign we write, 4 times 2 is 8. So this is my solution.